Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz Season 2021. It's the first match in round 1 and the scores are Norman Manley High on 6 and the Manning School on 30. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which disciple told Jesus not to wash the disciples' Mannings?
Simon Peter.
Simon Peter.
Correct. Biology. Which gland is referred to as the body's master gland? Manning School?
Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland.
Yes, because it controls the activity of most other hormone-producing glands. English language. What does the prefix omni, as used in the word omnibus, mean?
All, every,
Manning School?
all.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual one. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Mannings?
Tom Tavares Vincent.
Tom Tavares Vincent.
Correct. President of the Senate. Chemistry. What is the name of the common lab method used to determine what volume of reactant is needed? Manning School.
Titration.
Correct.
Good.
React with a certain volume of another reactant. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Is watching you.
Manning School.
Adele.
Adele.
Correct. General knowledge. Sonic the Hedgehog effectively functions as the mascot of which video game company responsible for the Master System and Mega Drive consoles? Sega. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. Tienen menos dinero que yo.
I don't know Kejio.
They have less money than I. Geography. What is the capital of Panama? Manning School.
Panama City. Panama City.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Charles Hyatt. Information technology. What is the name for an arrangement where a central node or hub provides a common connection point for all other nodes? Star topology. History. The Macedonian King Philip II was succeeded by which of his sons? Alexander the Great. Mathematics. What are the factors of x squared minus 64?
X plus 8 equals
Open bracket x plus 8, close bracket, open bracket x minus 8, close bracket. Physics. What is the force of attraction between the molecules of different substances called?
Cohesion.
I think so.
No, Joy.
No.
Adhesive forces or adhesion. Sports. A visual question. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Novak Djokovic. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Hodian Tenki. Manning School.
No broke, no square.
No
No broke, no square.
Correct. French. What French verb means to drive? Conduire. Literature. What is the more popular name of the 1830s novel, The Parish Boy's Progress? Oliver Twist. And art. Who painted the piece called Madonna of the Meadow? Manning School.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Incorrect. Raphael. Bible knowledge. Which city and at whose directive to shout did the walls of that Manning School?
Jericho.
Jericho.
That is incorrect. Well, not incorrect, incomplete. Jericho and Joshua. Biology. What is the name for a vascular tissue of a root or stem? That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Norman Manley High on 6 and the Manning School on 42. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.